Pizza's more than just food. It's art. It's a passion and a conversation piece. It brings us together so we can enjoy it together. It's one of those foods that everyone can take part in, no matter who or how old you are. And now, with the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box, you can create those experiences right at home. The Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box allows you to bake gourmet quality pizzas in around 2 to 4 minutes. The patent-pending design combines a cooking chamber made of pizza stone material with a housing that utilizes convective, conductive, and radiant heat to bake foods at about 600 to 800 degrees. And best of all, it's incredibly easy to use. It fits on just about any 3-burner or larger gas grill. There's no fuel, nothing to plug in. You turn on the burners to high and wait until the needle hits the right temperature. One of the things that I love the most about the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box is that you don't have to be a gourmet chef to use it. You can use your favorite store-bought dough or make your own from scratch, and you'll still get the same artisan quality and taste. And it's not only for baking pizzas. You can sear and roast steakhouse quality meats, roast vegetables, bake casseroles, desserts, and artisan quality breads, you name it. Overall, it's fun. The food becomes the party. Everyone pitches in, making pizzas, baking pizzas, and of course, tasting the different pizzas. My name is Tim Case, and I'm the creator of the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box. The best, easiest, and fastest way to create gourmet-style pizzas right in your own backyard.